Hey, pigeon lovers, what's up? It's your girl, it's your teacher, Waneka here today. Say Waneka. Waneka is here, and I'm happy to be here. I have had baby. I am 8 weeks postpartum. My baby is going to be 9 weeks in 3 days' time, and yeah. I say make I come tell una say I don't born, and in the process teach you guys all that you need to know about pidgin language, in like everything you need to know about having a baby in pidgin. Okay, so all the everything where they talk for English, like I don't born, no, I just had a baby, what gender is the baby, so many things. And this video is really not scripted, so I'm just going to go with the flow in my head because yes. So if it's something you want to see, then please sit back, relax, and let's get this video started. I don't born. I don't born simply means I just had a baby, a newborn. So I don't born. I just born means I just had a baby. So if I say I don't born, no, I just born, no, it just means that this person just had a baby. Or she don't born. Christabel don't born. Who else? What other name? Blessing don't born. It just means that this person has given birth to a child. And then when I say I don't born, no, the next thing people would ask in Nigeria is waiting you born? Waiting you born literally means what gender is the baby? Waiting you born. I born boy. Or I can just say na baby boy. Na baby boy. If you had a girl, I had a boy. I've got 3 boys now, okay? If you had a girl, you say, na girl I born, no. Or na boy I born. Or na baby boy. Or baby boy. Just basically you saying, I just had a baby boy. I born boy. I born girl. So next thing is, oh, I'll come visit you, okay? It's simple. I go come see you. I go come see you. All right? Have you left the hospital? You don't leave hospital. You don't leave hospital. Or you don't come out for hospital. You don't come out for hospital. Have you been discharged? Basically, you don't leave hospital. You don't come out for hospital. Or I can say, I'll come and see you in the hospital. I go come see you for hospital. I go come. I go come see you for hospital. I will come and see you in the hospital. You can also say, when will you be discharged, right? It's as simple as when una go house. When una means you and the baby now. When una go house. When will you be discharged? Doctor say tomorrow evening. The doctor said tomorrow evening. Doctor say tomorrow evening. Okay, then I go come see you for house. Okay, then I go come see you for house. So if I had plans to visit you in the hospital before, and because you said tomorrow evening and I just changed my mind, I can say I been won't come see you for hospital, but I go come see you for house. I been won't come. I wanted to come. I been won't come see you for hospital, but I go come see you for house. I wanted to come see you in the hospital, but on the second thought, I'll come see you at home. Simple. All right, so the person comes to see me at home, and the person is trying to say my baby is cute. You can say, the pikin fine, no. The pikin fine, no. All right. If you want to say the baby is damn too cute, you would say the pikin too fine, or the pikin fine no be small. Okay, the beauty is not a small beauty, the handsomeness is not small, the pikin fine no be small, the baby is damn too cute. So the person gets you a gift, and the person says, I bring gift for my baby. We literally call people's kids our kids. Yeah, I bring gift for my baby. I came bearing gifts for this child. Okay, and that's as simple as that. What else now? Okay, so asking the mom, how are you feeling? How are you doing? Simple, the same. How you day? How body? How is your body? how body you dey see breast milk so it means that is your breast milk running? Are you having difficulty breastfeeding? You they see breast milk so as in are you is it easy for you? You they see breast milk so how body? Pele, well done. I feel like this particular video is just them too intense for us. It's intense, and I'm just doing this for fun because I doubt that you guys can learn these things, these particular ones. It's too intense. Except you have to play and play and play all over again. I'll be happy if you guys can learn it too. What else now? I won't come bath baby. I won't come bath baby. So people that are close to you in your community can come give baby a bath. People that are very close to you, okay? So they can call you and say, I won't come bath baby. I'm coming to give baby a bath. I won't come bath baby. Hmm? And in my culture, if you've just had a baby, you're expected to be having lots of pepper soup, hot pepper soup. So I can say, I cook pepper soup, come give you. They can come to your house and say, I cook pepper. People will really come to your house with pepper soup, they'll cook and come. So I cook pepper soup, come give you. Hot pepper soup, I cook pepper soup, come give you. So yeah, basically, what else again? Has the baby had immunization yet? The pikin don't take immunization. The pikin, I had told you guys before that baby is pikin, children can be pikin, yeah? The pikin don't take immunization. The pikin don't take immunization. Okay. If you never take am, make sure say you take am. Make sure the baby has immunization. Make sure say you take BCG immunization. It dey good. It dey good for their body. Where. You guys, this is basically me announcing that I've had a baby. I don't have much more to say. I wanted to just show my face and tell you guys that I've not left you. Okay, I'm here as always. Thank you guys so much for watching and engaging with my videos. I'm really, really grateful, and I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back very, very, very soon. Take care of yourselves. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.